Hello and welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is leftover brisket chili. We had some leftover brisket after Sunday lunch and thought, what can we do with it? And this is what we came up with. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found down below. Okay, first we prepare the leftover beef. Simply cut into suitably sized chunks and reserve. How hard can that be? You might well think that's a big chunk of beef to have left over after a meal. The fact is, due to the pandemic, we're still in lockdown in the UK at the moment, so the kids aren't coming round. Raiding the fridge is normal, hence more food left over. Anyway, when the beef's prepared, heat the oil in a suitably sized frying pan, add the onions and fry off for a minute or two until they start to soften. Then it's time to add the garlic and again fry off for a minute or two. And when the garlic's had a minute or two frying, it's time to add the paprika, cumin, chili powder, oregano and salt and pepper and taste and give it a good mix through. Next you add the tomatoes, a teaspoon of sugar and the kidney beans and give it a thorough mixing together. And when this is done, it's time to add the beef to the pot and give it a good mix in as well. Then it's a splash of water just so it's not too dry, bring up to a simmer and continue to cook until the consistency you want is achieved. There you have it, leftover brisket chili. How hard can that be? Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now, and wherever you are in the world, stay safe.